Hi everyone, Cassie here. In today's tutorial, let's learn how to copy a Google Sheet tab to another Google Sheet file. But before we begin, we're constantly adding new tutorials, so please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications. Let's get started. At MyDigitDocs123, we create and sell Google Sheet templates, and all of them include this Read First tab. So I want to copy this tab to a new worksheet that I'm creating. Start by right-clicking on that tab and then select Copy To. Here you have two choices. You can copy to a new spreadsheet, and in so doing, Google will create a new spreadsheet for you, or you can select Existing Spreadsheet. Let's do that. Let's select the existing spreadsheet. Now we need to select the document that we want to copy the tab to. So you can search for that file in your Google folders, or the search field, or your Google tabs. Now since I just created this new document, I can easily find that in the Recent tab. So let's select that Recent tab. I want to copy the tab to the document titled Demonstration. So I'll click that document and then I'll click Insert. After clicking Insert, you get a message that the tab has been copied successfully. You can either click OK or you can open the spreadsheet. Let's go ahead and open the spreadsheet. And here you see the tab listed at the bottom of the document. This is where you can, of course, give the tab the appropriate name. Check out our selection of Excel and Google Sheet templates. We have several to choose from, including Bookkeeping Made Easy, Wedding Planner and Budget Guides, Password Easy Find, and many more. Go to www.mydigitdocs123.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you on the next tutorial.